What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am out here in the backyard doing green thumb activities. And this one's all about building a guard, shield, box, protective covering. I really don't have a name for it, but I'm building a apparatus that will keep my my gardens and plants safe, because I have this huge oak tree, right? And I have like so many leaves that fall into it, branches that fall into it. When it rained, it just recently rained the other day, and I had like huge limbs that fell on my plants, broke and cracked my corn plant. I mean, I guess it didn't crack it, broke it. Just all kind of things like that are unnecessary. And actually, I came back here today when I was putting the supplies back here, and there were birds back here in my raised beds. I was like, oh no, 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 oh no, 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 birds, you can't have my fruit, you can't have my harvest, you can't have mine. So what I'm gonna do is build this apparatus, and I want to send a special thank you to my lovely parents, who are the sponsors of this video, in that they purchased the supplies that I'll be using in this video. So love you, parents. Thank you for your support. They tune into all my videos, all my family videos and things like that. So shouts out to you all. You know, let's give them applause. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I have wonderful, supportive parents. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video because, you know, why not? Let's have fun. What I am using for this video, let me show you. Let me show you. Alright, so what I'm using for this video is your everyday PVC pipe. You can get it at Home Depot. These are 10 feet in length, and my raised bed is actually 12 feet in length from this aspect of it all the way down to the end. That is 12 feet, not counting the sunflower area, which I'm not too much worried about in bringing in this whole entrapment. So I have those, and then I have this 2 feet extension that I use at the top. Oh man, I need it for the bottom too. See, man, little things you don't think about in the heat of the moment. So anyway, I have that. I'll do what needs to get done. I have my connecting pieces here, all to make it all work, and then I have my netting, which is the bird netting right here, 14 feet by 45 feet. Hopefully I won't have to do too much cutting and bring it all together. So yeah, man, it's fun time. Let's get to it. The building part must begin. Oh yeah, and if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to the family. Go ahead and join the family. Green Thumb family, Don't Keep Up with the Jones family, Team Ricky, all that good stuff. Like, go ahead and join us. We have so much fun stuff from the inside of the house, cooking and all that, pranks and all, to the outside, gardening, fun tips, yada, 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 yada. Hey, we got it all. All of it. We have it here on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe. Help us get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. All right? You can be that number. In that number, we need you. Woo! Let's get to that. About is that I'm not 10 feet tall, so I do have, so what I did was, y'all know I got these dogs on both sides of my home, but anyway, so what I did was like go ahead and build the top part, but I need to figure out, like, so then I'm gonna build the bottom. Like, I'm not 10 feet tall. I did not think this through. I did not at all. All right, y'all work with me. Help me out. Let's go. Alright, so I built the boom boom. There's the big square. So you have the top part and the bottom part. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the bottom part to where it will go around the raised bed. My thought and hope is that I'll be able to put the bottom down and then put the poles on the top so that I can fit 2 sides at a time. Side, 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 side. I think I have a plan. So needless to say, this plan works beautifully if you have 2 people. But if you have 1 person, you just watch what I'm doing and learn from my mistakes. At the end of the day, you could do that. Let's go. One-person job. Thankfully, my wife just pulled in with the lovely kiddos, so I text her and asked her to come help me out because right now it's like a triangular ordeal because I was able to get 2 sides in to the poles, and Rain's trying to get my attention, and I'm trying to get the other side. You see that pole I was able to put into its spot, but the one in the back I wasn't able to put in a spot, so that's the problem. That's what's happening right now. Right now I do have a triangular shape. It would be nice if I did not have corn on the outsides, which, you know, those are things you learn. If you want to have a triangular, you know, covering for your plants and things like that, do your taller plants on the inside as opposed to the outside, which is what I did, which is another reason why I'm going for the box shape covering. So alright, beautiful people, so as you all saw or maybe could not see, it was an epic fail. Clearly there's no bar up, none of that. I was able to put down some chocolate black mulch down, and I was able to plant let me show you what it says, because I saw it and I was like, I can't resist. That thing says candy cane peppers. Look at that. I don't know how many of y'all ever like seen this at the store and was like, I wonder what that is. I did, and I got it because, I mean, it's kind of hard for me to like turn on a plant. But anyway, it was an epic failure. Now, lessons learned. Let me just let y'all know, because, you know, we real at this house. We let you know the failures and the accomplishments. However, the failure was that the ½ inch, which is actually the pole size that we have, is too small. It's flimsy. We were able to get it up. We were able to get all 4s up, but the bad boy was like Harlem shaking. It was like woo 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 woo, and I was like, nah, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. We couldn't even like take our hands off without it falling. So that was an epic fail. Put down in the comment section below if you know of a way that I can make my shield apparatus concoction thing work, because obviously I do want to protect my plants as things are growing and things and whatnot. I don't want the birds to get it. I don't want these limbs to take things out, and I just want to protect the overall aesthetics and things of my garden. So help a brother out in the comment section below, and hey man, without further ado, you know, this is what I do, and I love you all for checking out this video. Until next time, I love you. Comment, subscribe, let me know. Comment, subscribe, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, and let me know. What do you let me know? You let me know what I should do to like cover my garden properly. So yeah man, Osaka, have a good one. Peace.